drawing on the team captain seesaw.
First of all, we both weigh like a quadrillion tons, so this isn't working. Second, this stinks. And third, I just don't like you very much.
Now that's just plain rude. If you want my advice, you should consider being a bit more polite.
Hold that thought. Nope, nuh-uh, I can't find it.
Can't find what?
Can't find where I asked.
You should really value my company. I am a former finalist.
Why do you say that like it's impressive? You're saying you got second, aka you lost. You're a loser.
Now hold on.
You're a loser. La 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 loser. Loser. La 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 loser.
You got second to last.
You also stink like sewage.